Sabi mo, miss.
Anong oras na naman siya? Pero at least ngayon, may maghahatid sa kanya, hindi siya maglalakad ng ganong oras.
Anong oras?
At least ngayon, safe ka kasi you're with me.
Okay, mom.
Don't worry.
Akit na tayo?
What? Guys, anong oras na? Time?
Yes.
Okay.
Wala nang aircon na pagkantang oras.
Merry Christmas.
From Butilu. Alam mo yung name ng Butilu?
Bakit?
Alam mo, binigyan
Ay,
ko ng name. Yung sa'yo, walang name.
Alagay, nakarating daw siya.
Oo, nakauwi na ako. Nikia, where is Nikia? Nikia, my dog. Oh, there she is. There she goes. There she goes again. Oh, she's such a busy person. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh. She's so kind. Oh, wow. Hello guys, we're going shopping!
Ikaw lang.
Ay, ako lang pala. First purchase is from Yankee Candle. Wala. Second purchase from Japan Home. So guys, pupunta na kami market through the Taguig Metro Link. Dalawa pa lang nabibili. Let's go. Yun. Go. Maalis na, mandar na. Diba tayo lang inantay?
Ayaw. Cut that.
We're now sa loob.
I'm tired. Market. Siguro sa market.
I got happy skin. Third is look. Damage. So I bought the
Guys, wala ba ako nabibili? I'm so proud of myself.
scent kasi it was yung honey
So, yung
spice.
nilagay niya, that's so
Aura and then
Tapos alam mo ba, in purpose niya
Ba yan? Damage. Hey guys. Hey. Look at my very shiny lips. Super dami kong nalagay na lip balm kanina. It is 1 AM. It's December 27. Belated Merry Christmas, and hindi na ako nag-vlog noong 25 because I just had a simple Christmas celebration with my family. Kahapon, 26 is nag-bed rot lang ako. Kahapon, dapat magpapasalamin ako, pero tinamad ako kasi late na ako nakaligo. Like, as in, bed rot talaga. And when I wake up later, I want to be productive, though that's impossible because I just want the bed rot. As in, that's like my most favorite thing to do ever. Kasi feeling ko I've done so much nung may pasok, so I deserve this. But anyways, tomorrow I want to be productive, but not so productive. Tomorrow I want to set my 2025 goals. Whew. My New Year resolutions. Natatawa ko kasi laging kasama sa New Year resolutions ko ang stop biting my nails, but of course hindi nasusunod. Tomorrow I want to list it all down, and then the things that I have learned this year, or maybe not this year, throughout my 17 years of living. Because in 2025 I'm gonna be an adult. What? What? Oh my god. So, I feel like I have to do this. Like, it will be a complete life reset for me. This will be so enlightening. Anyways, yeah. I want to do that tomorrow. And then tomorrow, magpapasalamin ako. Dahil nga, dapat kahapon. But, tomorrow na lang. I don't know pa if... But I want sa Sunnies talaga. I want sa Sunnies. Pero sabi kasi ni Mama, sa EO na lang daw para sure na tatagal yung salamin sa akin. But, kasi sa Sunnies, may na-eye na akong frame doon. Like, tumingin na kami noong 24. Nung nag-shopping ako. Tumingin na kami noon. And then, may nagustuhan na talaga ako. Pero kasi, ano lang siya, mura lang siya. So, nag-aalangan si Mama doon. Siyempre, we have this, notion na kapag mura is hindi ganun ka, yung quality. So, but tomorrow, I'm gonna convince her to let me buy sa Sunnies for a change. Everything is changing. Everything is resetting. Oh, wait. Kasi, ever since grade 7, EO talaga ako. Yun. All of my glasses are from EO. So, yeah. I want Sunnies naman for a change. But yeah, tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, but later. Later when I wake up. I feel so fresh already. Wala pa yung resolutions ko. Nare-refresh na agad yung utak ko just thinking about it. But yeah. See you later. Hello guys, we're on the way to market. Magpapasalamin kami dalawa. And then, it's around 2 for my shopping. Yes. Let's go. Guys, bukas na yung fun hand dito. Love it! Tapos na kami sa Sunnies. I got Hiraya Filipina na soap. Buti na lang meron dito kasi if sa online pa yun, matagal pa. So, buti naman. On the way na kami sa BGC. I'm gonna buy Sunny Angels. Whiskey. Guys, punta na kami sa Central Square and magmumuji kami doon and then we'll eat Sakyukyo ramen sa may food court doon sa Zara. They call it food court, but yeah. So, ayun na. Wala kami nabili sa Meiji, but kakain na kami.
Pero tikman mo na ba? Yung, kasi it's weird na na
Yeah, tignan ko lang. Masarap. As in. Right, Ellie? Si Ellie lagi kong kasama kumain ng QQ. Pati si Jing. 99 lang eh.
Ayoko na ito.
Give it to me.
I'm going to try it, guys.
Ana, sarap?
Yeah.
Diba? I told you. Of course, it's masarap.
It's a good.
It's a good
job.
Good job. Diba? Sarap. For 99, bro.
If hindi ko nagustuhan sa Uy, pero manipis lang siya.
Sarap yung kainin mo na.
I like how it's not so hot.
Diba?
Sarap. Everything about it is wrong.
Sarapan. Ellie, may na-recruit na naman ako. first time namin na tikman to ni Ellie sa Greenbelt. Tapos sabi namin, ay wow, 99 lang. Tapos after nun, hinanap-hanap na namin siya. Basta pumunta lang kami din sa mini food court sa Greenbelt. Tapos sakto meron sa SM Manila, malapit sa school. Tapos meron dito. Nagpapag-gift wrap lang kami.
Ah, ang taas na glasses ko.
Tini! Now we're going to Kulibok.
Anong matindi kaya? Paano yung tip-tip?
Titinan niya kung tinatawag na si Baby Tim.
Baby Tim.
For Baby Tim!
At dapat tinagalo mo na lang sa supply. Uy, ano mo ba? May nakita ko TikTok pangalan niya, Baby Love. Like baby, tapos...
May kamag-anak baga tayong Baby Love.
Oh!
Yung pumunta sa atin. Hey guys, we just got Starbucks. And I'm on the way to pick up my Sunny. Hey guys, so finally, mag-haul na ako. I'm so over the moon right now because looking at this, ang dami. Whew. I really spoiled myself this time, like, for real lang. Kasi, diba, monthly yung baon ko. And 2 weeks lang naman, or 1 week yung pasok this December. So, I got to save so much money and idagdag pa din mga napamaskuhan ko. So, ayan. I did 2 days of shopping. Surprisingly, hindi ako zero. Even though I splurged this much, hindi zero ako. So, pwede nyo pa akong ayain sa gala. Pwede pa. Nag-iisip pa nga ako kung anong pwede kong bilhin kanina. Eh, may curfew, diba? 10. So, I needed to alis agad. Hindi pa ako nakapaglibot sa SM Department Store. But, gusto ko sana bilhin dun yung MacBook case. Basta, ano siya, parang fluffy na case. Ganun. Anyways, okay, let's start. So, I believe my first purchase was from Yankee Candle. Wait lang. First item is from Yankee Candle. And, ito yung pinakaunang nakita kong store. I mean, nasa bungod lang kasi siya ng Venice. And, dito ako unang bumili. And, ayan. Tatlo siya. Merong white strawberry, merong vanilla, and then merong Bahama Breeze. Actually, mabango siya. Kahit may onting sipon ako, bango. As in, I mean, Yankee Candle na yun eh. This is actually a gift for my Letteran friends, Jinky, Thor, and Ellie. And then, let me get the receipts because i-record ko ang mga nagastos ko. Okay? Next is, my second purchase is from Japan Home. So, I just bought a green clock. Of course, it's green. Matagal ko na tong inaay. Ayan. Green clock. And then, bumili na rin ako ng battery. Tumitingin ako actually dun sa isang battery pa. Pero sabi ng sales lady, ma'am, eto na lang. Because yung alkaline daw is sobrang lakas sa. Basta yun. Nakaka-drain daw siya. So, let me open this. Oh, yes. Isa lang pala kailangan ng battery. Okay. Well, anyways, yan. Woo! I love that. I love the shade of green. I mean, kahit anong shade of green naman, I love. For my next purchase, hindi ko alam kung St. Smith ba or Look. Look. Ito yung first day. So, ito yung binili ko sa Look. And then, ito. Actually, sabay ko itong binili. Pero ito lang, pinag-gift wrap ko kanina lang, which is second day ng shopping ko. This is Romand. Their juicy lasting tint in the shade Bear Grape. Pinag-gift wrap ko kasi bibigay ko siya kay Nikia. This is my gift for her. This is just a powder kasi grabe ako mag-oil up. Imbis na dewy yung look ko, magmumukhang super oily lang ako. So, I needed a powder. Parang need ko muna i-give up yung dewy look. And it's just from Happy Skin. Can you see? I'm waiting for the right time. It's the weightless pressed powder. And meron na siyang SPF. This is in this shade medium beige. Yeah. Medium beige. Because yung lighter one is too light for me, and then yung natural naman is dark for me. So, malamang, ang bibilin ko yung shade ko, diba? So, meron ng puff. And then, ayan. May mirror. Hindi ko pa natatanggal yung plastic kasi kaka-open ko pa lang. And then, ayan siya. I'm gonna try this out tomorrow. By the way, tomorrow, kailangan maaga ako gumising kasi magja-jogging kami. I hope this is good. Hindi ako nagtingin-tingin ng mga reviews, so I just hope this is good. Or else, bibili ako sa Vice Cosmetics because pinag-compare sila ng Absidy. Pwede siya. Pwede siya for daily look. For my favorite purchase, I think, it's from my favorite perfumery. This is from Scent Smith Perfumery. And I think ito yung pinaka-expensive kong purchase. Well, anyways, actually, sa SM Aura kasi kami nauna bumili. So, meron din doon silang branch. So, I asked if they have my favorite scent, which is honey spice or hot spice. Basta, ganun. Yun kasi yung favorite ko. Turns out, wala silang stock. Nung 100 ml, yung ganito kalaki, wala silang stock. So, nagtingin-tingin pa ako doon ng ibang scents. Hindi ko nagustuhan kasi I really like yung spice, yung honey spice. Basta yung may blank spice. Ganun. So, sabi ko, okay, putingin na lang po ako sa market kasi mas malaki yung branch doon. So, I thought may stock sila. Turns out, wala rin. Kasi sa January pa raw yung deliver nila. Yung restock something. So, I spent 15 minutes na nag-spray ako dun. Diyos ko po. Yun pala. Kasi yung iba, I found it too matapang for me. Yun pala, you need to set it pa. Like, you need to wait for at least 5 minutes for you to appreciate the scent. So, anyways, here's what I picked na lang. Dahil nga, wala nung favorite ko. It's in the shade. It's in the scent Iris 805. And actually, may nakalagay dyan, Sab. Nakalagay, compounded for Sab on April 16, 2007. That's so cool. It's like they made this nung pinanganak ako. So, that's what I like about this. And also, bango. So, yung type ng scent na to, ng Iris, is sweet scent. And 100 ml. And mahal siya. So, I think, kailangan ko bumili sa Ian Darcy or John Darcy ng pang everyday perfume ko lang. So, I just want to use this kapag may big events or important events or dates. Anyways, yeah. So that's it for my favorite purchase of this shopping, of this whole fiasco. Let's go to what I purchased today. Let's start with Flying Tiger. Buti may Flying Tiger na sa BGC. And yeah, Flying Tiger Copenhagen. I just bought their 5-year diary. Kasi sabi ko sa sarili ko, diba? Sabi ko kagabi, mag-ano na ako, yung mga New Year's resolutions, ganyan. And I just thought that this is so cool because I can see my progress here. Kasi 5 years, diba? So I can start writing sa 2025 and then matatapos ako 2030. Kasi, ayan o. So, halimbawa, ayan, January 2. So, I can write what I have done or what I'm grateful for noong January to 2025, 2026, ganyan. So, I think it's just so cool that I get to compare what I did on this day, this year, last year, and for the future years to come. So, I just like the idea of this. Yan. Actually, super daming cute na dun sa Copenhagen. Pero may pink version nito and I wanted that one, but may pinaka last stock na sila dun. Pero alam nyo ano meron? May marker stain dito and then may pencil stain dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinagkagagawa ng mga tao dun. But yeah, annoying lang. Yes, sana mapanindigan, diba? I bought, nakita ko lang to nung nag-escalator kami ni Sam. May Hiraya Pilipina pala sa market. And then, bumili na ako kasi kailangan ko talaga nito. Eh, kung sa Shopee pa, diba, maghintay pa ako. So, ayan. Kailangan ko lang kasi ng adhesive soap nila. Kasi madumi na yung pasties ko. So, ayan. Buti meron doon. Oh my gosh. More options for you to be you. Wow! Use the soap to clean your nipple pasties every after use. What? Every after use ba yung nililinisan? Ilang months ko na hindi nalilinisan yun. Kasi nga tinatamad ako bumili nito. Buti na lang meron doon talaga. I went to Fully Booked. So, di ba pumunta kami BGC. Una, pumunta kami market. Nagpagawa ako ng sunnies ko na glasses kasi nga 3 to 4 hours pa. So, ang tagal, di ba? So, sabi ko, yun na muna and then, tsaka tayo mag-wander around BGC and Aura. So, ayun. Punta kami BGC. Bumili ako sa Flying Tiger. And then, nag-check kami sa Fully Booked doon. Walang Smiskies. Ayoko ng Sony Angel. Like, I just don't like it. Walang ka-thrill na nakatayo lang siya. Hindi ko bet. So, bumili na kasi ako ng fake na Sony Angel. And then, nakakita na rin ako ng real Sony Angels. Nakahawak ka nun. Hindi ko talaga siya trip. Like, it's so overpriced for what. And, I want Smiskies kasi aside from its color green, glow in the dark, and super cute. So, ayan, walang Smiskies sa BGC, diba? So, nung pumunta kami ng Aura, ayun, doon marami. Unti lang yung Sony Angel, pero may Smiskey. Sold out kasi daw ang Smiskies sa BGC. So, sa Aura kami nagtingin. Ayan, I bought 2. Isa sa moving series, and then, isa dun sa version 1 lang ata to. Basta yung ganyan. Ang makukuha mo dyan is ganyan. Oh my golly. Yan, ganyan. And then, sa moving naman, ganito yung makukuha. Ayan. So, okay. Let's unbox. Okay, let's go. Oy, yung receiver. Okay. Let's go. Let's unbox. Parang wala ko sa mood mag-unbox. Bakla. What is happening to the world? What is happening to the 2024 to 2025 world? Let me love you. Let me be the one to... What? What? Why is this so... How do you guys open this? What? Oh my god, I'm totally ruining it. Niruruin ba talaga to? Aray ko po! I did not want to ruin the box. Okay. Smisky. Ah, yung cute. It's like peeking, ganun. Glow in the dark ba to? But parang hindi. Parang hindi ah. Ay, sabi glow in the dark. Saan ko siya pwede isabit? Hindi naman kasi siya hyper, so glow in the dark daw, pero tinatago ko dito hindi naman glow in the dark. Well, I'll update you later. Okay. Ganyan siya. Next. Hindi ako nata-thrill mag-unbox ng ganito. Iba pa rin yung thrill kapag album. Okay, next. Ito na yung moving series. I think mas interested ako dito kasi may hawak siyang something. Anyways, hindi ito yung gusto ko. Though wala naman ako particular na specific na gusto, pero hindi ko siya ganun kabit. Okay, anyways. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me a selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Okay. I love this. Can this stand on its own? No, it can't. Why? Ito, nagsa-stand on its own. But this one, come on. I think hindi siya makapag-stand because may hawak siya. Baka nabibigatan siya. Yan, gusto ko to. I love this. Sana hindi ako ma-addict dito. Okay. Ano ba naman yan? Bigat niya. Yan. Sana hindi ako ma-addict. Because ang mahal naman kung magiging addiction ko to. I mean, compared sa collecting addiction ko last time, which is puro mga Smisky are curious little creatures that love hiding in corners. They stay hidden and their existence is a bit of a mystery. At night, they start to glow, though nobody quite knows why. So, this one is called Smisky Balancing Boxes. Compared sa addiction ko na collection last time, mas okay na to, diba? Smisky Looking Back. Basic aspect. And for my last purchase, I did not purchase this one. This one is purchased by my mama because it is an essential. Actually, akin nang dapat. Money ko dapat. Pero, when I told mother, she gave me her card. It's from Sunny's. And here are my new glasses. So, from 250, yung left eye ko is naging 275. And then, yung astigmatism ko is from 50, naging 75. Yay! Hindi siya masyadong ma-appreciate ng ganito. But, yeah, I just love this, you know. I love this. First time ko mag-transparent na glasses and so far, I'm loving it. And bumili din ako ng merch nila. Merch yung tawag nila. And 3 cloth. Cleaning cloth. Kasi usually, isa lang throughout the year yung ginagamit ko. And hindi ko nilalabhan. So, kaya nahihirapan ako. Ayan, 3 na. Tas may free pa, diba? So, nice one. So, yun lang for my shopping I'm very satisfied. Especially for my perfume. Oh my god. Well, anyways, okay. Oh yeah. I'm so satisfied right now. I could die. Anyways, alam niyo ba dapat mas cute pa yung packaging nito? Pero sabi ko, wala po pa kayong paper bag. Tapos pinalit niya paper bag. Nagbayad ako dito for 5 pesos. 5 pesos? Are you freaking kidding me? Kidding me? 5 pesos for this small paper bag. Akala ko naman i-add niya. Pero may super cute talaga. May sila, holiday, like something, ganyan. So, dun niya unang nilagay. Tapos sabi ko, wala po ba kayong paper bag? Kasi akala ko ilalagay niyo dun. Yung pala tinanggal niya dun sa holiday. Ganun. And then, nilipat dito. Sayang. That's it for this haul. And, sana makapag-ipon na ako next year. Because, super dami kong gastos this year. As in, kasi mas lumaki yung baon ko, so mas lumaki yung gastos ko. And mas dumami ang gala, mas naging matakaw. And, inflation, so... Anyways, yeah. And, baka there's more to come pa. But, yeah, that's it for now. And, stay tuned if mabubudol pa ako ng sarili ko. If hindi ako makapagpigil. But, yeah. For now, ito lang muna. Babush! Oh my god, so cute! Oh my god. How can I sleep? Oh my god, that's so cute! Oh my golly. Hi guys, we're going to After 3 dessert. We're so excited to eat. Nag-expire. What's that series?
Harvest series, I think. Fruit series. Peace. Okay, I hope I got the strawberry because it's so cute. So,
Damdamin. Basbasan. Strawberry
this is my first ever Sonic Angel. So, oh my god! Please! Okay. So scared!
Damdamin mo nga, tinan mo.
So, tingin college siya dito. Parang hindi.
Aww.
I don't wanna open it anymore. Okay, it's fine. It's gonna be our first baby. You believe that?
Parang.
I don't like that color. No offense to the video, man. I was hoping for something pink.
Yeah.
They could have gave me literally any red color. It's fucking green. I hate that color. No, I don't hate it, but I love it when it's matcha. But an apple, I don't even eat that.
Oh my god.
Feel to.
Buti hindi durian.
Oo nga, buti hindi durian. I'm gonna leave this here because I don't like it.
Hala, green!
Sama.
Ayoko, wala akong pera.
Tutoy siya. Hindi, libre na. Itlog.
Di ba? Bili ka pa daw isa.
Bili pa isa. No, we're gonna go sustain ourselves.
Yeah. Trade mo.
Yeah. Sino pa may gusto dito?
let's try. What's your rating? Sabi mo kung anong order mo ito ng rating.
Chocolate matcha, 7
Kasi,
gusto ko kami.
me, I ordered pure Uji matcha frap. Nadig naman ako sa place.
Pero hindi ko siya sa
Nag-shopping kami, guys. Napa-shopping na naman ako. So, I bought from Tala. 349. Initial necklace. And then, CLN na wallet. It's secret. Limat ko na. And then, Sunny's. Yung peptide. Pakita mo yung saya.
Sila lang.
Finally. Yay!
Buy one, take one siya, no? Hindi na. Basta dalawang bilhin mo.
May charm.
Okay.
Yay! Pati yung isa doon, no? BFF din sila. Sinama niya siguro. Kasi nga, dalawa.
Ba't sila tinanong, ilang taon na kayo?
Kayo. Sabi lang, papalitan po.
No, over here. Oh, so annoying.
Sabi ko kasi, parang naligaw yung green. Para lang may malagay ako na green. May nilagay kasi akong isang green. Kasi iba, pink, purple. Tapos sabi ko, so annoying. Sabi ko, kasi nga, onti lang yung green doon. Sabi ko, so annoying. Tapos sabi ko, papalitan niyo ba? Kala niya ata, naiinis ako.
Hindi lang ate. Tumigil pa siya ng tumigil siya.
Hindi niya gets humor mo. Jogging na kasi. Totoo na.
Sige, kaya mo yun.
Hindi na ako mag-hotdog, hindi na ako mag-movie. Sana tayo tayo mo yung fashion. Kasi yung fashion. Heritage. Kasi sinabi ni Vicky na nasa punta sa... sa Bayani Road. Eh di ang layo ko nun. Gaga grade 6. O kaya nga, ang layo ko nun. Lapit lang. Malayo. Gaga mag-meet up na tayo na ano. Kasi malayo din ako medyo. Yun na i-jogging natin. Layo. BGC na. Jogging daw siya pa din. BGC na. BGC ako kasi pagkain nandun. Ay, sa heritage
Bibili
day
mo na siya ng
wala.
hobby.
Kasi mga pagkain dun, te.
Mga street food to yung mga
Kasi dapat sa BGC tayo mahal ng gas. 7-Eleven. Bye guys!
Bye-bye.
Ay, nakabook na.
Yes.
And si Ellie, pinapahintay niya yung joyride niya. And then ako sa harap namin. Paunahan daw kami makauwi sa Taipei.
Very competitive.
Ano na kasi siya? Mayaman na siya ngayon.
Pag di na sunod yung magtatampo ako sa kanya.
Bye-bye na kayo.
Bye guys!
Bye! See you sa next gala.
Madami pa yan.
I'm going to jog or walk because the day is too good to waste, you know? Where are they? Saan yung car? Eto? Late jogging. Oh my God. Late walking pala. Medyo mainit na guys. Nag-car kami papunta because mainit na nga. Pero kaya naman siyang lakarin. Hala, ipit ko. Oh no. I should have brought my pony. So we're tawiding. 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 Excited?
1, 2, 3, 4, higa. Ito naman. 1, 2, 3, 4, higa.
Excuse me po, saan po yung nearest CR?
Ikot po ng sushi nori.
Saan po yung sushi nori? Okay, thank you po. Doon po. She's gonna what? She's gonna poop. Where's the pooper? At least she's not a party pooper. Yeah, you know? May exposure ka sa vlog ko pero you're known as a party pooper. Likod daw ng Sushi Nori. Sushi Nori is here. So where? Saan ang likod niyan? Hey guys, we were about to go home but we wanted coffee beans, so we're on the way.
Hello!
Oh no, are they making pasundo? I got iced matcha latte.
I got vanilla frost. Matcha kami.
Thank you po for the treat. Let's go. Guys. Oopsies. Oopsies. You know I'm not that strong. Hi guys. So tapos na kami mag-walking. And I'm gonna show you my 5-year diary. There. I'm gonna start, of course, tomorrow. Because tomorrow is January 1. I'm gonna put my name here. So guys, we're going to decorate our diaries. I have my 5-year diary. You have your Starbucks planner. Actually, 2022 pa yan. Ay, hindi ko nagamit. So, sa kanya na lang.
Muji guys.
And Muji na. First, we're gonna decorate it with stickers. And then next, we're going to write our 2025 New Year resolutions. And then we're gonna make bingos.
By Muji.
And then we're going to make a 2024 recap spread. Okay?
You heard that.
Let's go! So Sam has so many stickers here. Yeah, green. I love green. You have blue because blue to. So I want to make it
Mayroon ng ano?
blue.
Ayan.
So akin, 14 things I've learned. Oh. We're going to Fun Hand Mart.
Sarap na yun.
Diba?
Ate yan.
Masarap naman.
Ayun yung lagyan niya?
No. Oh, di ko pet.
Hindi nyo pwede.
This one.
Ayan.
Ay, kung magra-ramen ako,
Ako rin.
sa inyo.
Alin yung ramen?
What do I pick? Kimchi beef. Shinra. Ano po yan? Tokboki po yan eh. Ano pa ba yan? Spam.
Ano pang gusto niya? Nailagay
fish
natin sa
cake,
ramen.
pork balls, fish ball.
Ito ba? Ito
Ayun
na rin
po,
siya.
Crab.
Ah, sige.
Ano lasa niya? Crab talaga. Crab sticks.
Oh.
Ano? Mas ito? Ay! Or ito? Ilan? Ano to? Gusto mo rin ba?
biscuit sa gano. Ganda lang yung biscuit.
Walang pang walang atay sa egg mo. Bakit pa ba tayo? Hindi na kaya ng sabaw ko. Ay, tayo Hindi na kaya ng sabaw ko. Ganda naman tayo. Naman siya.
Chris, ay ikaw, meron ka na?
Gabi. Pahingi din kami isang ganito. Ako nang din.
Masarap.
Ay, kami. Ano? Siya. Ako na nga. Ano kaya? Nakaka-stress yung pagluto, pero sawa na ako sa ramen. Siguro mga March na ulit yung next na ramen ko because ilang beses na ako nag-ramen this month. So, purgang-purga na. Yes. Malaki ba yung water? Sakto lang. Tapos, share pa. Hindi ka kumuha din ng isa. Ako ko. Ikaw nagsabi, sige, share na lang tayo. Ano? Bakit na share? Hindi sabi, whatever daw it gets, share na lang daw.
Hindi ba eh. Kung halimbawa po yung drinks na ano doon, share.
Pag tubig. Ito na mag-share.
Maliit lang po.
Eh, kapag tubig, madali lang inamin. Oo. Mas maubos. Oo, gano'n lang. Oo, diba? Alam naman po. Common sense po.
Well, it's enough.
No, it's not. Sakit pa lang. Ubus ko na to. Sige mo. Ikaw ang konti mag-ano. Ako na, konti naman sa akin.
Nagara po after 30 minutes pag nakain. Long, yung parang yan ako nilagay. Kung ating mga lang.
Ganun ka lang mag-inom ng tubig. Okay.
Huwag mo naman nahin.
Grabe naman.
Sabi ako pagka blooming ni Ate Elsa. Kahit ano ang hang at init nandiyan pa rin ang blush on.
Eh, nasa Venice kami ngayon kasi magsisimba, 6 p.m. Though, ako ay sa dulo na lang kami upo. Pero, ihi muna kami, then punta Encat, and then punta na kami ng simbahan kasi sa taas lang naman ng Venice yun. Nashock sila nung binigyan ko sila ng ano? Dagong 50. Well? Matikan pa nila yung tanggapin. Tinignan mo na ganun.